Here we are over in Holmes Chapel this morning, installing a Starlink for a customer on a big house slash farm. Here we've installed an 18x12 galvanised bracket to clear that huge overhang. 3-foot mast just to clear that roof line. Clear line of sight. Wired through into his loft. Down a cavity in the wall into his office around there somewhere, where he's got a switch where we've fitted a mesh system. Come out of the mesh system into his switch and fit 6 decos all throughout his house and his garage. Customers receiving speeds of over 200 megabytes per second all throughout his house, as opposed to the 2 that he was getting previously. It's Aaron and Phil for Space Internet Solutions.